Hey guys, quick tip on how to reduce your CPU temperature. All you need to do is press the Windows key, then type in Edit Power Plan, press Enter. Now you want to click this Change Advanced Power Settings. On this one, you want to go down to Processor Power Management, and you want to expand these to minimum and maximum. So make sure the minimum is not 100%, it should be lower than that. And the maximum, you want to set this value to somewhere between 90 and 100. So this is the recommended values. You can play around with it to see if it impacts your game or not. But what this will do, basically, it will reduce the maximum percentage of your CPU. So that will decrease the temperature, but it might affect your games in a different way. So make sure to try out some values. I recommend starting with 90 and going up and testing each one. Okay, so make sure the minimum is 5 and the maximum is around 90 to 100. When you're done changing the value, don't forget to hit apply, and then that's it. I hope you liked it. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.